Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Fantasy Premier League app not working. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any further videos. And now let's get into it. So if you try to open the FPL app and you received no response, then there are a couple of solutions that you should try. First thing that you're going to need to do is check if the app is up to date. And to do that, you want to open up the Play Store, press onto search in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then go to the search box above, tap on it, and then type in Fantasy Premier League and press enter. Once the app appears, tap on it, and then if you found the update button here instead of open, then press on it and wait for the app to install the update. Once it's done, you can go ahead and press on to open. However, if that didn't fix the problem, then we are going to try something else. Now go back to your home screen, and then you want to look for the phone settings, and then press on it. And from here, scroll down until you find the apps option and tap on it, and then tap onto app management. And now from this list of apps, you want to locate the FPL app. So I'm going to type in PL in this search box right here. And so as you can see, here it is. So I'm going to press on it, and then I'm going to press on to storage usage. So what you're going to need to do from here is clear the cache. So let's press right here. And now that you deleted the cache, try again to open the app. However, if you still receive no response from the app, come back here to this page. And this time you want to press onto the clear data option and try to open the app again. And if that wasn't helpful, then the only solution left is to uninstall the app. So from here, come back up a screen, and here you can see the uninstall option on the right hand side of the screen. So press on it and then confirm the deletion. After the app gets deleted, open up the Play Store, look for the FPL app and press on to install, and that's it. One of these methods should fix the FPL not working. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.